Friends, good morning! Today is Tuesday at mag-vlog tayo, friends. Punta tayo ngayon sa garden at we have to continue planting all the vegetables that we love to eat here at home. So, punta na tayo, friends. Hello friends, so we are going to plant this type of beans. We are going to plant this type of beans, friends, dito sa dalawang row na dito. Yan ay mga tomatoes until here. So I will continue that line and then the other line na ginawa ko. So lahat ng mga yan, friends, ay pink tomatoes. Yeah, from Barbastro. Or ang tawag nila is Tomata Rosa de Barbastro. So, pink tomatoes from Barbastro or variety, friends, na itong pink tomatoes na ito ay from Barbastro. Barbastro is in Aragon. Yeah, very near in our place. So, ayan, friends. So, let's see. We have to remember the look of this one, friends. And then maybe after some weeks, I'm going to show you again the plants, how they are going. Okay, so I'm not sure if I can really grab or record the video because I am using the tripod of my phone, and I'm also using my phone to record the video because my SD cards are full and I didn't erase some of the videos yet. So ayan, wala tayong SD cards. Kaya I am using my phone, friends. I'm not sure if you can see how I'm going to plant. So this variety of green beans, friends, ay favorite ko, kaya ito ang itanim natin. Ang sarap kasi i-adobo, friends, as in na malasa siya. Unlike yung long bean, yung napakahaba, as in parang para sa akin walang lasa, but this one is really good. You can really taste it, friends. So ayan, let's tanim. So lagyan natin ng dalawa. Ayan, and then ganon, and then here again. Okay, friends, so I planted already the 2 rows of our black-eyed green beans, and black-eyed green beans is my favorite type of beans. I didn't plant anything here yet, friends. I have to scatter this poop, and then I have to plant okra here. Yes, very soon. So this one I explained it to you a while ago already. Yeah, so, and another mountain of poop right there. My husband helped me to bring in some manure for the plants. So ayan, friends, so we are working, and then I am very happy because I finally planted some ampalaya or bitter gourd doon banda, friends. Yan, nilagyan ko ng parang sticks para alam ko kung saan ang aking didiligan, kaya yon, I put some sticks. So nilinisan ko din dito, friends. As you can tell na medyo maaliwalas na siya. We still have a lot of work to do, like totally cleaning all this part. As you can see na it's so weedy. It is so weedy, lots of weeds, friends. So that's what we are going to work these days. And look at this beautiful maple tree. Yeah, ang tangkad niya, friends, and that gives shade for animals and for all of us. And also that tree is a mulberry tree. So that side, friends, dyan kami kinasal ng asawa ko to celebrate our 10 years anniversary, wedding anniversary. So dyan namin. So lahat ito, wala pang garden dito noon, friends. So as in a plain lang siya, just grass, imagine. And then ayan, so dyan namin ginanap yung kasal namin ng aking asawa. Sa kasal namin sa ano, friends, sa pare. So ayan, very soon I'm going to harvest these 2 leeks, and I am planning to take some of these, but I remember that I still have bag of lettuce in our fridge, so hindi muna ako kukuha ngayon. Maybe once we finish those, then I will come and harvest for salads. As you can see na, as in ang bilis nilang lumaki, friends. So this is yung napaka tender talaga itong ano, pag ganito pa lang siya, friends. So ayan, as you can see, tapos itong ano din natin, friends, this one, this type of lettuce. This type of lettuce is very sensitive, friends. Napaka ano niya, sensitive. Yeah, lalo na yung leaves niya, napakadaling ma-wilt. Oh, under of this ay mga ano, friends, mga kamatis. Mga kamatis are all mga self-seeded or volunteer lang yan sila, friends. Kasi marami kasi akong mga tomatoes last year dito na volunteer din. So yung mga nahulog, yung mga nabulok na kasi nga winter na or ano na siya, friends, mag-autumn na siya, nalamigan na sila or kinain ng mga uod, mga ganun. So iniwan ko lang sila dito. And then pagkabungkal na ng lupa, ayan, nagsilabasan na, kumpul-kumpol. Look, ayan, that is all ano, friends, kamatis. Yeah, ayan, kamatis. So pag medyo lumaki na sila, I'm going to transplant them maybe. So this time ang dami kong kamatis, friends, this time. So ayan, yun nga ang hinihintay ko din, kasi may tinanim din ako dito dati na chili. Yung chili talaga, yung spicy na chili. Pero wala pa akong nakikita up to now. Sana nga meron. Puro kamatis naman eh, kamatis. Yeah. So ayun, friends. So friends, update ko kayo sa mga seeds na I started. These are my starters. So lumago na sila. As you can see, friends, na may mga nakain dito. So yung kambing namin na si Alpina, siya yung pumunta dito at kinain. Kaya ayan. Tapos yung iba naman, yung mga ibon ang kumain naman nito, friends. So ito ay ang ano ko, friends, yung corns. Yung corn talagang kinain, friends. Kaya wala tayong corn yata this year, but I'm going to try again. And ito naman yung mga sili, mga kamatis natin, and I think bok choy, these ones. I'm not sure, yeah. So yan naman, friends. I'm not sure if you can see that. Ayan. Tapos ito naman ang ating mga marigolds, mga zinnias natin. Sana nga lumaki pa sila at i-transfer na natin. So I'm just waiting. And this one, friends, this is cherry, sweet cherry. May mga ano din tayo dito, marigold. Nilagay ko lang kasi dyan, friends, para sa ganun, yun nga, tutubo sila. At saka dito din, nilagyan ko din ng ano, friends, I'm not sure if you can see that, ayan, ng zinnias, because as you all know, I love zinnias. So yung mga starters natin na yun, friends, nilagay ko dito. Tapos talagang matatalino ang mga ibon, kasi nakita nila kung ano yung nilagay ko. Halimbawa dito nilagay ko, kasi nga I love flowers, this is sunflower. So kinain nila, friends, hinalungkat nila. So yun na lang ang mga natitira. Yan ay mga zinnias ulit. So yun lang friends ang ating vlog for today. Thank you very much for accompanying me here in our small, tiny, and very humble garden, vegetable garden. Thank you very much for watching. Please like this video, subscribe if you haven't yet, and you will see the transformation of this garden. So once again, thank you so much friends, and bye. See you again next time.